In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare timelines side by side in the edit page. If you've ever needed to check two versions of an edit, match shots between sequences, or reference an earlier cut while you refine the latest one, comparing timelines side by side is a simple, reliable workflow. We'll keep this clear and efficient, and by the end, you'll be able to line up timelines visually and make confident decisions faster. First, head to the edit page. This is the workspace designed for precise timeline work with your viewer, tracks, and tools all in front of you. Make sure you're in this environment before you proceed, because the controls you need live here. Now, look to the media pool. This is where your project's assets and timelines are organized. Find the timelines you want to compare. Timelines usually display with a distinct icon that sets them apart from clips, so take a moment to be sure you're selecting the correct ones. It helps to know their names or where they sit inside your bins so you don't open the wrong sequence by accident. Double-click each timeline you plan to compare. When you do, they'll open as tabs above the timeline viewer. Each tab reflects the name of the timeline, which makes it easy to keep track of what you're looking at. If you don't immediately see both tabs, glance along the tab bar. You can scroll the bar if there are many open timelines and select the ones you need. To view them side by side, right-click one of the timeline tabs and choose Open in New Timeline window. This creates a separate floating window for that timeline while leaving the other timeline visible in your main edit page. It's a clean way to give each sequence its own space without changing anything inside the timelines themselves. Finally, arrange the windows on your screen so you can compare them directly. Place the new timeline window to one side and keep the primary timeline on the other. Use your operating system's window snapping or tiling tools to split the screen neatly, or simply drag and resize the windows until both are comfortably visible. Aim for enough vertical space to see key tracks, and make sure playheads and timecode are in view so you can align moments accurately. That's the entire process. Switch to the edit page, locate your timelines in the media pool, open them as tabs, pop one into a new timeline window, and arrange your screen for a clear comparison. With this setup, you can play both timelines in turn, match frames, and move through your edit with clarity and confidence.